Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the error. This file cannot be previewed because of an error with the following previewer. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and enable the Windows Firewall Service. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. This should open the services window. In the services window, you will have to locate for Windows Firewall or Windows Defender Firewall. You may click on this name section to sort the services in the alphabetical order. Once it is done, you may locate for either Windows Firewall or Windows Defender Firewall. You can do a right click and then click on Properties. Once you're on the Properties, make sure your startup type is being set to automatic. In case if it is being set to manual, you might want to go ahead and choose the startup type from the drop down and set to automatic. Click on OK. Once this is done, you can close this window, restart your Outlook, and then try to preview the attachment and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and disable the protected view. So if your organization requires the firewall to be disabled, you can bypass the preview restrictions by turning off protected view within your Office application. To do this, you will have to open Word or Excel or PowerPoint. And please note, this must be done in the standalone app, not Outlook. So if you're trying to open a Word document in Outlook and if you're getting an error message for the Word attachment, you will have to open Word. Once you have the Word document open, you will have to click on the file at the top left corner, then click on Options. Once you're on the Options, you will have to click on the Trust Center and then click on Trust Center Settings. Under Trust Center Settings, you will have to click on the Protected View and you will have to uncheck Enable Protected View for Outlook attachment and then click on OK. Once this is done, you may close Word and then try to reopen Outlook and check if you are able to open the attachments within the Outlook. So if you are able to open Outlook attachment, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and consider repairing your Office installation. To do this, you will have to open the Programs and Features. You can do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. To open the Programs and Features, you can use this command appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. This should open the Programs and Features window. So basically in this list, you will see all the programs which are currently installed on your computer. You will have to locate the Office application. In my case, I'm using Office 365 app for business. It could be different in your case. Either it could be 2019, 2010 Office or Office 365. All you do is you do a right click and then click on Change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Now, once you're on this window, you would have two options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. I would strongly recommend you to go ahead with the online repair and then click on the repair options. So what this will do is this will go ahead and repair your Office application. So in case if there are any corrupt installation files, it will go ahead and repair those files. And please note, this might take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your computer and also the speed of your internet. Once the repair is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, you should be able to open the Outlook attachment. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.